Ever wondered if your small business, the one you painstakingly built from the ground up, could benefit from the seamless integration of traditional banking and modern digital tools? Specifically, what if I told you there's a way to handle a good old-fashioned paper check, that cornerstone of many transactions, directly through a platform designed to simplify your business operations? Intrigued? Because today, we're diving deep into a topic that bridges the gap between the physical and the digital: how to deposit a check using ZenBusiness. Now, before we get too far, let's set the stage. ZenBusiness, for those who might not be intimately familiar, is much more than just a business formation service. While they excel at getting your LLC or corporation off the ground, their true power lies in their suite of tools designed to support your business throughout its life cycle. From compliance and registered agent services to website building and, yes, even financial management integrations, ZenBusiness aims to be a holistic partner for the modern entrepreneur. They understand that your time is precious, and every moment spent on administrative tasks is a moment not spent growing your vision. So, why are we talking about depositing a check in this digital age? Simple. Despite the rise of digital payments, credit cards, and online transfers, paper checks are still a very real part of the business landscape. You might receive them from clients for insurance payouts, from government agencies, or even as refunds. For many small businesses, especially those just starting out or serving a more traditional clientele, checks remain a common form of payment. The challenge then becomes, how do you efficiently convert that physical piece of paper into usable funds in your business account without unnecessary hassle? This is where ZenBusiness and its integrated financial tools can come into play. While ZenBusiness itself isn't a bank and doesn't directly process checks, it acts as a powerful bridge. It helps you organize your finances, track income, and, critically, connect with the banking services that do handle deposits. Think of ZenBusiness as your financial command center, allowing you to manage various aspects of your business, including initiating the process for getting those check funds where they need to be. Today, we're going to walk through the typical scenario and the steps you'd take to deposit a check, leveraging the organizational power of ZenBusiness. We'll explore how to prepare the check, understand the role ZenBusiness plays in streamlining your financial records, and then look at the common methods for actually getting that money into your bank account, often with the help of modern banking technology. The very first step, even before you think about ZenBusiness, is the check itself. Ensure the check is properly filled out, dated, and signed. Verify that the payee name matches your business name exactly as it appears on your bank account. A mismatch here can lead to significant delays. Once you've confirmed the details, the crucial next step is to endorse the check. This usually involves signing the back of the check, typically with "for deposit only" and your business name and account number. This is a critical security measure that ensures the check can only be deposited into your designated account. Now, let's bring ZenBusiness into the picture. While ZenBusiness doesn't have a direct deposit check button, its value lies in its financial tracking features and its ability to integrate with various accounting software and banking platforms. Before you physically deposit the check, it's an excellent practice to record the incoming payment within your ZenBusiness dashboard or linked accounting software. Why? Because this allows you to maintain accurate financial records from the moment you receive the payment. You can categorize the income, link it to a specific client or project, and ensure your books reflect the expected funds. This proactive record-keeping is vital for tax purposes, financial reporting, and simply understanding your cash flow. Many ZenBusiness users connect their accounts to popular accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, or even use ZenBusiness's own money management tools if available. Within these platforms, you'd typically create an invoice or a sales receipt entry, mark it as paid by check, and enter the details such as the check number, amount, and payer. This digital record serves as your internal tracking mechanism, separate from the actual banking process, but perfectly aligned with it. Now for the actual deposit. There are generally 3 primary ways to deposit a check in the modern era, and ZenBusiness helps you manage the record of each. First, and increasingly popular, is mobile check deposit. Most modern banks offer this feature through their mobile banking apps. Once you've endorsed the check, you simply open your bank's app, navigate to the deposit section, and take pictures of the front and back of the endorsed check. The app will guide you through the process, often requiring you to confirm the amount. This method is incredibly convenient as it saves you a trip to the bank. After a successful mobile deposit, you'll typically receive a confirmation, and you should securely store or shred the physical check according to your bank's recommendations. The beauty of recording this in ZenBusiness First is that you already have the transaction logged, and you can simply mark it as deposited via mobile. The second method is the ATM deposit. If your bank has an ATM that accepts check deposits, this can also be a quick and easy option. You'll insert your debit card, select the deposit option, and feed the endorsed check into the machine. The ATM will usually provide a receipt with an image of the check. Again, having already recorded the transaction in ZenBusiness means you're just completing the physical step of the deposit. Finally, there's the traditional in-person deposit at a bank branch. This is the classic method where you walk into your bank, fill out a deposit slip, and hand the endorsed check and the slip to a teller. While less convenient than mobile or ATM deposits, it's still a reliable option, especially for larger checks or if you prefer human interaction. Once the deposit is made, the teller will give you a receipt. Regardless of which deposit method you choose, the key is to ensure the funds eventually appear in your business bank account. ZenBusiness or your integrated accounting software will then allow you to reconcile these transactions. Reconciliation is the process of comparing your internal financial records with your bank statements to ensure everything matches. This is where the power of ZenBusiness's organizational capabilities truly shines. By having a clear record of the check received and then verifying it against the bank deposit, you can quickly identify any discrepancies and maintain impeccable financial hygiene. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.